The hotel reviewer. Here's the lobby. They went with the hard flooring, much better flooring. The Hampton Inn that I work at, the flooring looks like an elementary school or something, you know what I'm saying? And they do have the cookies out. They did a good job with this. I like a lot of them do like the dark style. This is more the lighter style. Nice Hampton Inn, good remodel here. Let's take a look at the pool area. There's the pool. There's a hot tub as well. You've got your business center. It's like 2 stations, 1 printer. Bathrooms. Thanks, guys.